Hello and welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today is soil and soil profile in continuation to our studying of different environmental factors. You should know soil is one of the most important environmental factors. It is that factor on which entire plant life is surviving, and because plant life is what is surviving upon it, on which all the entire animal life is surviving, so eventually soil is the source of life on earth. So it is a very critical environmental factor. Soil simply can be defined as the uppermost weathered layer of the earth's crust, and it is composed of minerals and partly decomposed organic matter. Now what happens is that if you take soil and you cut it through, that is, a vertical cutting is of that soil is what is done, a profile is what is revealed, and this vertical layering of the structure of soil is what is known as soil profile. This is something that is important. Questions are usually asked from this area. First and foremost, you should know that the topmost layer of the soil is what is known as the O layer. This O layer actually stands for the organic layer, because it is in this particular layer largely that the detritus is that is there, that is the freshly fallen leaves and other animal matter is what is lying in this particular layer. Next to this is the A layer. It is also known as the A horizon. This is largely the topsoil. It is in this particular layer that this freshly fallen matter is what starts decomposing, and this is what is known as humus. So the humus is what is present here. Living creatures will be present here primarily because it is these living creatures which convert the freshly fallen organic matter into humus. Next is another layer which is the E horizon, though this layer is what is not mentioned in NCERT, but still you should have some idea. It is what is known as the eluviated horizon. It is a zone of leaching, and materials from this particular zone are what are moving downwards. So this is a leached layer in between. Next is the B layer, which is the subsoil. Now this is basically what is comprising of mineral matter more. It is what is comprising of iron, aluminium, humic compounds are accumulated, and clay is what is leached down from A and E horizons into the B horizon. So B is going to have a domination of material matter more than organic matter, but it will have organic matter also. There is nothing exclusive in a vertical profile of a soil is what you should remember, because questions are framed like that. Next is the C horizon, where weathered parent material is what is present, and R is the bedrock. So what happens is this is the bedrock, and from here the breaking is what takes place. So in C, the weathered parent material of the rock below which exists beneath the C horizon, which is the bedrock, is what is present. So this is what is comprising of the entire soil profile. Questions on soil profile have been asked. You have to remember this O, A, B, C primarily, and also the bedrock which is important here. So that's about soil and soil profile, and that's about our discussion today, and thank you all for watching the video.